Klar for igång.
Welcome, I'm Sandy and I'm gonna try out this gas burner today. I have never used gas burners before because I always use wooden stoves and alcohol stoves. But I guess these are a little bit faster and yeah, you need to bring gas. This is gonna be connected to this, so all right, twist and turn. Is this okay to do inside? I don't know. Hopefully. Okay, and now, oh, it's got like a little thing here. Should I, is this now connected? Can I just press this? Can I press this?
Yes.
Ooh. Does it, oh. So I twist this just a little bit or a lot? Ooh.
A lot.
I can hear it. A lot?
Yes.
Can you hear it? And you... Oh! Shit! That was fast! Okay, need water, half liter. Bam, 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 bam. Jesus Christ. Hefty little thing. Sits pretty well. Okay. Ooh, it's boiling. Ah! The steam from the lid. Don't do this at home, indoor, or don't be stupid enough to... Okay, we're done. That was the wrong way. And we're done. Water is boiled. And yeah, I like this one. But remember, the steam will come out of these holes. You want some tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Coffee? Okay. So that's it, folks. Just remember, don't get lost in the woods.